Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations Zonal Office Northeast hagjentri lang bat katanat arts and culture ka Sorka Jila kalapin bina bakan sapinlong ya ka 11 India International Dance and Music Festival haka arpo ar bat arpulai tarik ukla lingkot arjar arpo hendrio ya kani kata masa an pendong hau soso tham auditorium Shillong haka por hendribiji janmiet bat omdon kam siu bairung kani kata masa kesedang nanong ba kari India ha New Delhi bat beteng ha Bangalore, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Jammu, Chandigarh, bat ha Shillong. UN Munish Singh, Regional Director ICCR ha Bakran ha Shillong Press Club. Udiyat hu bah kani kata masa anwan ban Bynta, na Kynhun tam ka Alam Folk Music Group na Kyrgyzstan ha ka arpo atarik ka musical ensemble na Burkina Faso bat ka fusion rock band na Maldives kin Bynta ha ka arpo tarik ha ususa tham auditorium. Ya kani kata masa an play da uba polling do MLA ka 18 West Shillong constituency but unong ay buit katanat social welfare but simbut kong san ka Manisha Swami IFS Deputy Director General ICCR New Delhi.
Good evening to dear friends present in the press club Shillong. Indian Council for Cultural Relations Zonal Office, Northeast India. We are organizing 11th India International Dance and Music Festival in Shillong at the Usosotam Auditorium on the 22nd and the 23rd of this month, that is January 2026, at from 6 p.m. onwards. So we are organizing this event in collaboration with the Department of Art and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. So we are very happy that amongst us we have a very colorful troupe from Kyrgyzstan, and they are known as the Alam folk cultural team. So they just arrived in Shillong and they're gonna perform tomorrow at the Sosotam Auditorium. Tomorrow, Kyrgyzstan will be performing their folklore, culture, music, everything. As you can see, the colorful costumes that they are wearing. So we are gonna see a lot of their song, dance, and the musics all together in one compact, event. So again on the 23rd. We have groups from Maldives. It's a rock fusion band who can perform. They are known as the 21st. And then we have another group also from a country, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. This is a musical ensemble that we're gonna organize. So. This 11th India International Dance and Music Festival, we kick-started it from New Delhi, and then it has been organized in other 6 states of 6 other places of North India, including Shillong. We have Bangalore, Jammu, Chandigarh, Baroda, Ahmedabad, like that, and then ultimately in Shillong we are starting from tomorrow and day after. It is a part of the cultural accents, and we're going to see the vibrant culture of these 3 very rich cultural places, countries that we have. That is starting from the Kyrgyzstan, then the Maldives and Burkina Faso. Thank you so much. Excuse me.
Any participant from India?
Yeah, our local artists will also be there to perform in certain places, as a joint performance, But mainly it is for our groups from abroad.
Last year
It was a folk festival, India International Folk Festival. This one is Dance and Music Festival. Yes, last year also during the same time we have organized the same kind of event. Yeah, you are very correct.
what is the response?
Response is really good, and Shillong is one of the favorite place for our artists from foreign countries to perform. Last time also, previous our edition also was a grand success. We did it at Larity multi-purpose hall, and it was highly successful. And we believe that our tomorrow's event also and the after also will also be a very colorful event with the audience from all around coming to see the beautiful event that we have.
How do you connect with this?
Music has no language, no community, no bar. Music connects people through their own way. So I believe that this kind of cultural access definitely will help our local artists, local artists as well as our artists from Kyrgyzstan will also take away some of the fond memories and the culture and the lifestyle, music, dance of this place also. So it's like a exchange of culture, as I said. So this definitely will help in both ends.